Welcome to Frankfurt, a city filled with history, art, and endless excitement. Explore the Altstadt, immerse yourself in the Museumsufer, and savor the flavors of Kleinmarkthalle. Frankfurt awaits with unforgettable experiences at every turn. Number 15, explore Frankfurt's Museumsufer. Museumsufer in Frankfurt is a haven for museum enthusiasts, featuring an extensive collection of museums and galleries. Located on the banks of the main river, it offers a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls. Developed in the 1980s, Museumsufer showcases stunning architecture and cultural institutions that were once old townhouses. While it may be impossible to visit every museum in this vibrant area, exploring Museumsufer is an enriching experience that allows you to immerse yourself in the city's rich history and artistic heritage. Number 14, stop by Staedel Museum. Staedel Museum, located in Germany, boasts an extensive and impressive art collection. With 3,100 paintings, 660 sculptures, over 4,600 photographs, and 100,000 drawings, it is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. From renowned artists like Monet, Rembrandt, and Botticelli, the museum offers a glimpse into the world of great art. Beyond the collection, visitors can enjoy guided tours and engaging public discussions, providing a deeper understanding and connection with the artworks on display. Staedel Museum is a must-visit for art enthusiasts seeking a rich cultural experience. Number 13, enjoy the view from the main tower. The main tower in Frankfurt offers a breathtaking start to your sightseeing adventure. Head to the top for a panoramic view of the city's magnificent skyline, often compared to Germany's own Manhattan. The financial district, with its soaring skyscrapers and futuristic projects, is particularly impressive. Ascend to the highest observation point in the city via the elevator, or indulge in a dining experience at the main tower restaurant and lounge on the 53rd floor. Enjoy your meal with an unparalleled view that will leave you in awe of Frankfurt's beauty. Number 12, take a tour of the Altstadt. Altstadt, Frankfurt's historic old town, is a fascinating starting point to uncover centuries of the city's rich history. This collection of traditional buildings, churches, and public squares resides on the northern banks of the main river. Founded in the 8th century, Frankfurt began expanding from the 14th century, marked by the construction of merchant guild halls and opulent townhouses. Despite the destruction caused by World War II, painstaking restoration efforts have preserved and revitalized the Old Town, including the recent redevelopment of the new Frankfurt Old Town. Number 11, hop on a roller coaster at Holiday Park. Holiday Park, an amusement park, offers a wide range of attractions for all ages, from antique merry-go-rounds to thrilling water slides. In addition to the classic rides like roller coasters and ghost trains, there are also balloon rides and ball pits for younger visitors. The park goes beyond rides, providing a variety of shows, meet and greets with costume characters, and live events throughout the day. With over 50 years of entertaining families, Holiday Park has become a cherished destination, offering endless fun and excitement for all. Number 10, see the view from the Frankfurt Cathedral. Frankfurt Cathedral, dedicated to St. Bartholomew, is a magnificent Gothic church erected between 1315 and 1358. Its grandeur is evident both on the exterior and from within. For a remarkable experience, ascend the main tower and reach the observation deck, perched 66 meters above ground level. From this vantage point, you can marvel at the breathtaking panoramic view of the Frankfurt metropolis. Gazing out of the window, you'll feel like a bird, intimately observing the cityscape unfold before your eyes. Number 9, get tropical at Palmengarten. Palmengarten, a tropical haven right in Frankfurt. Step into a magical glass-domed botanical paradise, teeming with a mesmerizing variety of plants from around the world. Since 1871, this captivating oasis, spanning 22 hectares beside Goethe University, has charmed visitors. Enjoy the sunlit outdoor spaces during summer, or find solace in the Tropicarium during winter. Unearth the extraordinary subantarctic plant collection from the world's southernmost regions. Join guided tours to uncover the secrets of rare species. And don't forget to embrace the lively festivals and concerts that grace the Palmengarten throughout the year. Number 8, take a cruise on the Main River. Main River, the vibrant lifeline of Frankfurt, and witness the city from a fresh perspective. Let the gentle river current guide you through Frankfurt's vast landscape, granting you panoramic vistas of its futuristic skyline and the famous museum embankment. Unveil the hidden gems of Frankfurt's industrial side. For a touch of magic, opt for a nighttime cruise, where the city's lights create a mesmerizing ambiance. Get ready for an unforgettable journey that reveals the captivating beauty of Frankfurt in a whole new light. Number 7. Stroll through Hauptwache. Hauptwache, a renowned plaza in Frankfurt, holds a prime position in the city's vibrant shopping district. After indulging in a few trinkets, explore the numerous landmarks nestled within this bustling square. Admire the Baroque-style Hauptwache building and St. Catherine's Church as you meander through. Hauptwache offers a delightful showcase of the city's rich history, from unique antique shops to gleaming buildings symbolizing post-World War II redevelopment. With its abundance of cafes and open spaces, this plaza is also the perfect spot to immerse yourself in the lively rhythms of local life. Number 6. See a concert at Alte Oper. Alte Oper, Frankfurt's opera house, is a renowned venue for concerts and operas in the city. Originally constructed in 1880, it endured significant damage during the 1944 air raids. Today, the building showcases a unique blend of original architecture and a reconstruction carried out in the 1970s. With 3 distinct halls of varying sizes, Alte Oper hosts a diverse range of performances. When visiting Frankfurt, be sure to explore the program to catch an unforgettable show at this historic and culturally significant venue. Number 5. Shop and eat at the Kleinmarkthalle. Kleinmarkthalle, Frankfurt's cherished marketplace, you can indulge in a year-round feast of flavors and delights. With over 150 vendors, this bustling hub invites you to explore a diverse array of treasures. From fresh produce to Frankfurt's renowned green sauce and beyond, the market overflows with culinary wonders. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere as locals and visitors gather in this beloved destination. Discover the retro charm of the 1,950 S-inspired hall, where generations of dedicated vendors have crafted a legacy of excellence. Engage your senses and savor the lively spirit of Frankfurt's thriving marketplace. Number 4. Go animal spotting at the local zoo. Opel Zoo, located in Frankfurt, provides a unique open-air experience with its diverse range of roaming animals. The zoo offers a delightful setting for visitors, complete with public barbecues and picnic spots to enjoy. Meanwhile, Frankfurt Zoo presents an immersive wildlife experience with extended opening hours, including late-night access to the aquarium and special feeding times. Whichever zoo you choose to visit, you're sure to be captivated by the fascinating creatures and the opportunity to connect with nature in the heart of Frankfurt. Number 3. Try the apple wine at Alt-Sachsenhausen. In Alt-Sachsenhausen, you'll find a charming district brimming with traditional German bars and restaurants. The area is particularly renowned for its historic apple wine pubs, which offer an authentic taste of local culture. If you're looking to immerse yourself in the true essence of the region, be sure to visit iconic establishments such as Adolf Wagner, Apfelwein Dax, and Zum Gemalten Haus. These venues encapsulate the spirit of Alt-Sachsenhausen and provide an excellent opportunity to savor traditional apple wine and indulge in the vibrant atmosphere of this cultural gem. Number 2. Explore the trendy Ostend district. Ostend, Frankfurt's trendiest district, located just east of the Altstadt. Prepare to be enchanted by its hidden charm, nestled among ordinary industrial buildings and apartments. Within this vibrant enclave, you'll find a thriving contemporary culture scene, including theaters, independent galleries, and the trendy European Central Bank. Indulge in the finest bars and restaurants the city has to offer, and enjoy a stylish retreat at boutique hotels. Despite its industrial appearance, Ostend surprises with lush green areas and a picturesque waterfront that overlooks the magnificent Main River. Immerse yourself in the dynamic blend of urban allure and natural beauty found in this captivating district. Number 1. Get festive at Frankfurt's Christmas markets. Frankfurt's Old Town squares, including Romerberg, Paulsplatz, and Friedrich-Stolze-Platz, transform into magical wonderlands during the festive season with their enchanting Christmas markets. Immerse yourself in the joyous atmosphere as you listen to carols singing, admire the twinkling lights, and indulge in the warm delights of mulled wine and delicious food. Explore the charming stalls offering traditional souvenirs and handcrafted treasures, perfect for unique gifts. Embrace the rich history of these markets, which date back to the 14th century, and create cherished memories as you experience the warmth and cheer of the holiday season in Frankfurt. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.